Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, to understand our question, the program has to accept the integer n and print n plus 1 line based on the following conditions. In line 1, the program must print the n hyphens and an integer 0. In line 2, the program must print n minus 1 hyphens and 3 integers n 0 n. Then in line 3, the program must print the n minus 2 hyphens and 5 integers, that is n minus 1, n, 0, n and n minus 1. Then in line 4, the program must print n minus 3 hyphens and 7 integers, that is n minus 2, n minus 1, n, 0, n minus 1, n minus 2. Then similarly, the remaining lines are printed. Now we'll take our first test case. Here the integer n is 5. So for line 1, we have to print n hyphens. So 5 hyphens. And an integer 0. Then we have 5 minus 1, that is n minus 1, that is 4. So 4 hyphens and the n, 0 and again n. Then we have 5 minus 2. So we have 3 hyphens and we have 4, 5, 0, 5, 4. Then we have n minus 3. So we have 2 hyphens and then 3, 4, 5, 0, 5, 4, 3. Then we have n minus 4. So 1. And we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 5, 4, 3, 2. And then 5 minus 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This will be our output. Now we'll take our second test case. So similarly, we'll have in here the integer n is equal to 9. So 9 minus 0 is 9. So we have 9 hyphens and an integer. And then we have 9 minus 1. So 8 hyphens. And the n, 0, n. That is 909. Then 9 minus 2. So we have 7 hyphens and 89098. On doing so on, we'll get our output like this.
Get clarifications for any program and clear your program errors effortlessly by using our Instagram page. Programming made simple here. We have mentioned our Insta ID in this video description.
Now let us implement our program. First we'll get the integer n as the input. Then we have to print hyphen into n comma 0 comma the separate argument, and for CTR in range n comma 0 comma minus 1, we have to print hyphen into CTR minus 1. So and use end argument. And then again we'll have a for loop for num in range CTR comma n plus 1, we have to print the num and use an argument. And again, we have to print 0 and use an argument. And for num in range n comma CTR minus 1 comma minus 1, we have to print num and use an argument. And finally, we'll print new line. And after that, now let us execute our program. We'll pass our first test case, that is 5. So yes, we have got the correct output. Now we'll pass our second test case, that is 9. So here also we have got the correct output.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.